Hello, this is Sawyer STEM's video for Sprint 4 for Dr. Dan's class here. Um, I have been working on a lot of the Firebase stuff here, so I have been trying to get it working. I have not been able to get anything actually listening. My code keeps erroring when I get it. That's going to continue to be what I work on when I go into Sprint 5. It's going to still be this database stuff, so I plan on getting it fixed. That's why I have nothing to demo. I do have code to show you though. Here, I added a lot of This is the one commit I had. I did this Sunday. Um, my database attempt. I noted that it was erroring. It's all this stuff. The basic stuff. I'm still trying to get it to work. This is my basic constructor for it, trying to handle change, handle submit, and then on the input, I'm having on change, handle change, and then changing states, handling change. Along with my import Firebase, I added a file for that with all my Firebase stuff. That's what you see here. I have the rules kind of set up for it, but there is no data yet in it because I was unable to actually get it to work like I wanted to. I have not been able to add anything to it, which is frustrating, but I believe I can actually get it working by the end of this next sprint with some help from me, with some help from Matt, because he's done Firebase before. So hopefully I can get all that to work. Also going to go to over here, Sprint 4. These are the two tasks I had. Complete the inventory list screen view. I worked on that for a little bit, but then also passed that over to Matt because of how good he was at React. That is kind of what I did there. I spent so much time on building this database. It was disappointing, you could say, but I looked up a lot of different tutorials, a lot of different kind of just intro to Firebase stuff, and while it was said to be easy, I found it very difficult to actually get something showing up. So I'm going to enlist. I'm going to keep working on that with see if I can crowdsource from my team ideas on how to actually help that correctly. You can all times tracked. I was able to do it here, here, and here for this track. I was kept working on it throughout the course of this time. This is where I spent the majority of my time. This sprint, I must not have put it. I forgot to put it here. I spent like 2 hours trying to see what I can do, but now that we're down to detailing, that should be kicked over to Matt eventually, and that should be his for the next sprint and stuff like that. And then so moving into this sprint, we currently have a lot of this. I am assigned for none of it. I'm going to essentially kick this task of building the connection to the database. I'm going to kick that down here for sprint 5 to also work on that because I need to keep working on that, and I just have to get the database and everything set up, and so hopefully I can do that in the upcoming sprint. Thank you so much.